Okay, and something else really quick.
Mm-hmm.
Because I plan on opening or officially starting my private practice in 2 weeks. Like I already did all the paperwork and everything like that. So in like another week or two is going to be officially up and running. And I also started doing DoorDash, and I said in my mind for more quote unquote fun money, if I
Mm-hmm.
can do DoorDash and just and make DoorDash
No.
anything I make on DoorDash, make it my funny money. You think that
No.
makes sense?
No.
No.
No. No.
Okay.
The idea is that fund money should only be 1% at this current stage. It's just 1% of what
Okay.
you make. Now, why? I want you to taste it, but I don't want you to fall, for example, into a false complacency of saying like, "Oh, I can have fun with." No, you're not there yet. You gotta want it. So in order to want it, you gotta be prioritizing everything, and then working towards what you actually want. So that means, for example, if your priority right now is you making, if you're doing DoorDash plus your job, and you're gonna start like your private practice or whatever, the idea is
Hmm.
all that money should go towards, hey, let me bulk up my emergency fund quickly, keep investing, save up money for my down payment. And once you're done with all those things, bro, once you're like actually done with like financial freedom, you can take 30 to 40 to 50% of your money and have fun and do whatever you want to do. At that point, you've made it. But for right now, I want you to just get a taste for having fun. If you're making, for example, $2,000 a month, multiplied by 0.01%, that's only like around $20. That's it. It's just a taste. That's like maybe like extra guac at Chipotle, right? It's a taste.
Hmm.
But for example, when you buy your home, you pay it off in full. You have, for example, everything you need. Your emergency fund is funded. Your investments are keep going up and keep going up. When you have none of those things and you make, for example, $2,000, half of that is going to be $1,000 a month, right?
Yeah.
But you have real security. I'm not saying, for example, and by the way, the budget is not rigid, right? You set it to your pace. That's why it's like all based on ratios. So if you say, Tommy, I don't want to go that crazy. Maybe I want to up it up to 5%. You can if you want to. I don't recommend it. But just make it so your priority is always going to be emergencies and investment. That is your main priority. And if you have fun right now, you can if you want to. By the way, there's a lot of ways to have fun without money, right? You have your relationship with your family, with your friends. If you want like a girlfriend or your wife, whatever. Like it's a lot of ways to have fun, but it doesn't have to be like monetary. Monetary, your money's supposed to be doing a job for you right now.
Okay. No, that makes sense because right now for the stage I'm at right now,
Yeah.
emergency fund number
Mm-hmm.
one, and then 1A would be the invest trying to max out the Roth IRA, and
Mm-hmm.
then from there, just kind of getting the flow going, and then
Mm-hmm.
when that's finally established, when emergency fund is finally like at a nice clean spot of about 6 months of living expenses and everything, then I could
Mm-hmm.
start to kind of up it a bit.
Yeah, I remember, right? If you're spending, for example, 4 hours or a day or like 20 hours a week on DoorDash, that's like, that's hard work. It's not like the craziest work ever, right? But you're literally in your car all day, like taking people's food, delivering food and all that stuff. And then you want to go ahead and waste that money, for example, on something you're not going to get back. It's money that it has to come. It's your time, right? So your time is valuable. So you got to use that money to produce something for you. That's the idea. I'm not, by the way, you need to have a balance. I always say health, wealth, love, and happiness. Have that balance every single day. Go out with friends, go bike riding, do all those activities, right? But if
Mhm.
you're spending that much time of your day doing DoorDash, don't waste that money.
Okay.
It's your time, bro.
No, it definitely makes sense. And I had like a strategy planned out for DoorDash, but
Mm-hmm.
no, what you're saying makes a lot of sense. No,
And,
what you're saying makes a lot of sense.
and what's your private practice on? I forgot. Sorry.
Oh, I'm a mental health therapist, and I'm opening up a private practice in
Mm-hmm.
New Jersey, and I'm gonna do via telehealth, and um yeah, like that's the
But you're
goal,
keeping
the
your but
vision.
you're keeping your job though, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. So let me do you a solid here. It's possible that you can keep your job and just focus all your energy in your private practice and maybe just not do DoorDash. It'll take you a little longer to build everything up, but this way you can focus 100% on this private practice and it'll build
Hmm.
up a higher ROI in the end. Does that make sense?
Yep, that was actually the plan. DoorDash was um in the I was doing DoorDash until the private practice was up and running
Yeah.
again. It'll be another
Yeah.
week or two. But
Yeah.
yeah, because an hour of doing that will pay me way more than an hour of doing
Mhm.
DoorDash.
Mhm. And just make sure overall, man, you're enjoying what you do. You have your purpose and health, wealth, love, and happiness, right? Like this money
Mm-hmm.
stuff is cool, man, but it's just like once you automate it, like you still have a whole life to live because it's supposed to be automated. Not supposed to worry about it that much. You check on it like maybe once a week or twice a week. That's it. So
Mm-hmm.
make sure you're doing everything else. Take care of your health and all that stuff. You're solid.